Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. In recent years, Portugal has become a hub for immigrants, expats, and digital nomads, thanks to its welcoming environment and well-established immigration policies. However, with the increasing number of immigration applications, processing delays have been a significant concern. To address these challenges and streamline the immigration process, the Agency for Migration and Asylum, AMA, has introduced a new biometric system that aims to expedite the Temporary Residence Card (TRC) process. This essay explores the key aspects of this new system, the updated rules, and its impact on Portugal's immigration landscape. Background: Portugal's immigration challenges. Portugal has experienced a sharp increase in the number of immigrants over the past decade, largely due to attractive visa programs such as the Golden Visa, D7 visa for retirees, and special provisions for digital nomads. However, this influx has also placed strain on the country's immigration processing system. Long waiting times for visa approvals and temporary residence card (TRC) issuance have been a point of frustration for immigrants and foreign nationals. In particular, the TRC is a critical document that grants non-EU citizens the legal right to reside in Portugal for a specified period. Processing delays for the TRC have created uncertainty for many immigrants, with waiting times often stretching for several months. Recognizing this, AMA has taken steps to modernize its operations and improve efficiency through the introduction of biometric systems. AIMA's new biometric system. Overview: The new biometric system introduced by AMA represents a significant leap forward in modernizing Portugal's immigration procedures. Biometrics, which include the use of fingerprints, facial recognition, and iris scans, offer enhanced security and accuracy compared to traditional methods of identity verification. This system aims to not only reduce processing times but also improve the overall security and transparency of the immigration process. Key features of the biometric system: enhanced identity verification. The use of biometrics ensures that the identity of applicants is accurately captured and stored, reducing the risk of fraud and identity theft. Each applicant's unique biometric data is matched against national and international databases to ensure the highest level of security. Streamlined application process. With the new system, applicants can now submit their biometric data during their initial application or at designated centers, reducing the number of steps involved in obtaining the TRC. This streamlining is expected to lead to faster approvals. Improved data storage and management. The centralized storage of biometric data allows AMA to quickly access an applicant's records, eliminating the need for manual verifications and reducing the chances of errors. This digitization helps AMA process large volumes of applications more efficiently. New rules for Portugal immigration. What has changed? In addition to the implementation of the biometric system, AMA has introduced several new rules aimed at optimizing the immigration process. These updates affect various aspects of immigration, from visa application processes to residency renewals. Notable changes in immigration rules. Faster TRC processing. With the introduction of the biometric system, TRC processing times are expected to be significantly reduced. Under the new system, applicants could receive their TRC in as little as 4-6 weeks, down from the previous wait time of several months. This change has been welcomed by both immigrants and businesses who rely on timely processing for work and legal residency purposes. Mandatory biometric submission. The submission of biometric data has now become mandatory for all new visa applications and TRC renewals. This applies to non-EU citizens seeking residency, work, or long-term visas in Portugal. Failure to submit biometric data will result in delays or rejection of applications. Digital appointment scheduling. AMA has also introduced a new digital appointment scheduling system, allowing applicants to book their biometric submission appointments online. This system is designed to reduce the number of walk-ins and overcrowding at immigration offices, making the entire process more efficient. Enhanced border control cooperation. As part of Portugal's commitment to improving its immigration infrastructure, AMA has partnered with European Union border control agencies. This cooperation allows for better tracking of individuals entering and leaving Portugal, ensuring that those applying for residency or visas meet all legal requirements. Impact of the new system on immigrants. The introduction of the biometric system and updated immigration rules is likely to have a significant positive impact on immigrants in Portugal. The most immediate benefit is the reduction in processing times for residency applications and the TRC, providing more certainty for immigrants and their families. Benefits for immigrants: faster processing and less uncertainty. The faster processing of TRC applications means that immigrants can now settle into their new lives in Portugal without the long waiting periods that once caused anxiety. Expats, retirees, and digital nomads who rely on the TRC to legally live and work in Portugal can now receive their residency permits much more quickly, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their integration into Portuguese society. Improved security and transparency. The new biometric system offers greater security and minimizes the risk of fraudulent applications. This not only benefits the government but also ensures that genuine applicants can go through the process smoothly without concerns about data mishandling or identity theft. Digitalized and accessible system. The digital appointment scheduling system is more user-friendly and accessible for immigrants who may have struggled with navigating the bureaucracy of the old system. By reducing the need for in-person visits to immigration offices, applicants can manage their immigration process more conveniently. Potential challenges. While the new system is a positive step, there could be challenges during its initial implementation. For instance, technical issues or system overloads may temporarily delay processing times. Moreover, some individuals may face difficulties if they are unfamiliar with digital systems, particularly older applicants or those from regions with limited access to technology. Conclusion. A forward-looking approach to immigration. The introduction of the new biometric system by EMA represents a major milestone in Portugal's efforts to modernize its immigration procedures. By implementing advanced technology, streamlining the TRC process, and introducing new rules, the Portuguese government is addressing many of the challenges that have previously slowed down the immigration process. This system not only promises faster processing times but also ensures that the country remains secure and compliant with European Union immigration standards. As these changes take effect, Portugal is positioning itself as a more efficient and attractive destination for immigrants, businesses, and foreign investors. However, the success of this system will depend on its proper implementation and ongoing efforts to ensure that immigrants can easily access the resources they need to navigate the new rules. Overall, the future of immigration in Portugal looks promising, with the potential for a faster, more secure, and transparent process. Thank you for watching this video.